Now drop your shoulders. Now take your right ear towards your right shoulder. The shoulder shouldn't move up. It's just your head going down. Stay there for a while. Continue breathing normally. And then do the same thing towards your left. Here again, I'm not lifting the shoulder. I'm just dropping my head. And come back. So this is the neck release exercise. You could do it for a couple of more times, which will activate your vagus nerve area. And there is a shake off thing as well, where you stand up, literally shake your hands and arms and legs. So this mimics how animals in the wild discharge the adrenaline after they're fed, right? So that again happens because the sympathetic nervous system is really high.